Welcome to a pre-recorded presentation on what to expect in the upcoming construction for the 12th Avenue Northeast and Northeast 43rd Street paving project. My name is Krista Dumpies, and I am the Outreach and Communications Lead for this project. If you have any questions or comments about the project, you can email us at our address, Northeast 43rd 12th Paving at seattle.gov. Or if you have other questions you'd prefer to call us about, you can call us at 206-256-5458. There is also additional information on our website, which is listed on this slide. At SDOT, we want to deliver projects that contribute to a thriving, equitable community that is powered by dependable transportation. Our mission is to deliver a transportation system that provides safe and affordable access to places and opportunities. We have completed final design on the 12th and 43rd paving project. We are now expecting construction to begin as soon as late March this year and to wrap up in September 2021. This will coincide with the opening of the new U-District light rail station in the fall 2021, which also has the metro service change. In this presentation, we'll briefly go over some basic information about the project, including an overview of the planned work and why it is being done. Next, we'll touch upon impacts to transit, biking, and parking in the area before diving into the expected construction impacts. The 12th and 43rd paving project was created to address the anticipated increase in bus traffic due to reroutes after the new U-District light rail station opens in 2021. This project will focus on constructing sufficient pavement structure to support bus traffic on this roadway and building out Seattle's bike network. The scope of this project will include the repaving of Northeast 43rd from Brooklyn to 12th and 12th from 43rd to 45th. There will be sidewalk and curb ramp improvements, load zone relocation, and transit rerouting on those streets. There will be new protected bike lanes added on Northeast 43rd, Brooklyn, and 47th, as you can see on the map in the slide. Since there is limited room in the right-of-way, parking will be removed where we are installing the new bike lanes. We will highlight these changes in the video presentation. Transit. We will be moving several bus routes and adding a new bus layover. Adding new bus layover stops as part of this project. Making seamless connections between bus lines and the new U-District light rail station opening in the fall of 2021 provides for a convenient and efficient way to get around. King County Metro is leading an effort called the NorthLink Connections Mobility Project, which is restructuring bus routes for all the stations that are opening this fall. Protected bike lanes. Protected bike lanes provide space that is used for bicycles and are separated from motor vehicle travel lanes, parking lanes, and sidewalks. New protected bike lanes will be installed on both sides of 43rd Street from Brooklyn to 11th, on the east side of Brooklyn from 45th to 47th, and on both sides of 47th from Brooklyn to 12th. These bike lanes will provide safe modes of travel to and from the new light rail station and the nearby bike lanes. Parking. Parking will be removed, parking along Northeast 43rd, Brooklyn, 12th, and 47th in the project area is being removed to accommodate new protected bike lanes and bus layover areas. Though we recognize that parking is already limited in the U-District area, the additional protected bike lanes will crucially connect the existing Seattle bike network to the new light rail station. We anticipate heavier foot, transit, and bicycle traffic in the area following the opening of this light rail station in the fall. Parking will be removed on both sides of 47th and 43rd in the project area. Parking will be maintained on the west side on Brooklyn and 12th and removed on the east side of Brooklyn and 12th. So now let's get into construction. Construction will take place in the project area along 43rd from Brooklyn to 11th and along 12th from 43rd to 45th. There are also planned changes in the lane layouts for Brooklyn and 47th. While we won't be doing heavy construction work there, we will have crews painting new stripes on the roadway and installing protected bike lanes. You can expect typical construction impacts for this project, including local access only on the streets that we are working on, detours for intersection or lane closures, temporary parking restrictions, temporary pedestrian and bike detours around the work zone and staging area, temporary driveway and loading restrictions. We will notify you if you are impacted by either of these. We'll maintain access to businesses and residential buildings. And as usual, you will experience our typical construction noise, dust, and vibrations. The work hours will be between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. There may be a need for occasional night or weekend work, and we will notify the impacted properties individual if this arises. And as I said, access to all buildings will be maintained at all times. So our next steps. We will continue to reach out to local property owners, businesses, and residents as we near the start of construction that is happening as soon as late March. Details will be posted on the project webpage at www.seattle.gov/transportation/1243rd paving. We also encourage you to sign up for our project listserv so you can receive our weekly construction notices about planned upcoming work. You can also email your questions and comments to our project inbox or give us a call. Thank you very much, and we hope to hear from you soon.